Hey Hair Rules fam, this is your favorite texture guru Dickey, and I'm here with my friend Nicole, and our product profile of the day is cleansing cream, No Suds shampoo. It's a new way to have a discussion about a shampoo. We don't wash our faces with bar soap or soap anymore. We use things like Cetaphil, things that are creamy, that gently cleanse your skin or your scalp without stripping your body of essential moisture and oil. And your hair is the driest thing on your body. Whether you're straight and long hair or you're kinky, curly, and wavy that are naturally drier textures, shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds, regular shampoos, are a disaster. So we've formulated Hair Rules Cleansing Cream No Suds shampoo. Our products are free of synthetics, fragrances, which are awful for kids, and parabens and sulfates, which dry out and are not good for anybody. It's kid tested, it's mother approved. Let's begin with cleansing. Probably the most unique part of cleansing your hair with a No Suds shampoo is that it allows you to start detangling while you're shampooing. But again, the biggest misconception with the No Suds shampoo is how much to use. You can't put a little bit of product in a lot of hair. See how thick and rich that is? You can't put a little bit of product in a lot of hair and expect anything to happen. I think of product as a tool to help me to achieve something. So particularly with shampoos or a No Suds shampoo, you need enough product in the hair to get the hair juicy. So enough of the cleansing cream No Suds shampoo so that you're able to tactfully manipulate your strands. Also, the last thing you want to do is this. All you're doing is roughing up the cuticle. If you detangle this way, you're going with the cuticle. And you'll notice that I'm not using a comb, and I have more feeling in my fingers than a comb. And so I can feel with my fingers, silking each strand. Breaking your hair or any breakage is never good. The objective is that you've got a hair care routine that is more suitable to your texture. So now we're going to rinse. So as you can see, I can run my fingers through Nicole's hair. It's soft, her hair is not parched, it's not matted. So now that we've done a fresh wash with Hair Rules Cleansing Cream No Suds shampoo, we're going to use Hair Rules Quench Ultra Rich Conditioner, which will work more effectively now that we haven't stripped Nicole's hair and is fully detangled, and it will prep Nicole's hair for her curly styling. This is what I want to apply my styling product to capture the curl pattern that the water and the conditioner help to reveal. So again, your cleansing regimen should include a No Suds shampoo. It becomes your primary shampoo. And if you're kinky curly textures, you use the No Suds shampoo once a week, and you co-wash for wash and go styling every day or every other day or every 2 or 3 days. Depending on the tightness of your texture will determine how many days you get out of a wash and go versus someone else's. So if you have a tight 4C texture, wash and go styling should be done daily. Hello, come on. I mean, come on. How hot is that? It does so much. It's the most versatile hair texture, kinky and curly textures, which is why we love them so much. So, may your good hair days be your best hair days. Is that how that goes? May all your hair days be your best hair days.